Mark your calendars because September 18th, 2025 is about to go down in drone history. That's the confirmed release date of the DJI Mini 5 Pro, and trust me, the leaks and whispers have already turned the drone world upside down. Some insiders even say we'll get the announcement a little earlier, on September 16th, so the hype train is officially at full speed. So, what makes this tiny beast such a big deal? Let's start with the fact that it's staying under 249 grams, meaning no hassle with drone registration in most countries. But don't let the lightweight fool you. This thing is loaded. A 1-inch CMOS sensor with around 20 megapixels is stepping into the Mini lineup, delivering 4K video at a jaw-dropping 120 frames per second, complete with HDR support. Yep, buttery smooth slow-motion shots straight from the sky. Battery life? DJI just smashed the ceiling. The new Intelligent Flight Plus battery promises up to 52 minutes of airtime. That's nearly an hour of uninterrupted flying. Pair that with 360-degree obstacle avoidance powered by LiDAR, and you're flying safer, smarter, and longer than ever before. And let's not forget the lenses. A sharp 24mm f1.8 wide for epic landscapes, and a slick 48mm medium telephoto for that cinematic punch. All powered by a beefy 3,350 mAh battery. We also have a supplier code here. Take a look. Pricing looks sharp too, around $799 to $850 for the base, or $1,399 for the Fly More combo with the RC2 controller. Accessories range from $19 propellers to $99 batteries, so scaling up your kit won't break the bank. Old-style click-on propellers are back. Yay! Phew. No more fiddling with tiny screws or screwdrivers after a crash, or when your bag chews up your blades. Fans of the DJI Spark and Mavic Air know exactly how much easier this is going to make life. Then comes the real surprise. Clip-on ND filters tailored for the new 1-inch sensor. Whoa! We're talking ND8, ND16, and even ND128, designed to push image quality closer to the mighty Mavic 4. That's wow! Thrilling news for creators who demand cinematic shots. But not everyone is smiling. Some skeptics are, they're questioning if the Mini 5 Pro can actually match pro-level drones. Seriously? What? And yet, the excitement is undeniable. We even spotted a cheeky joke online comparing the ND filters to new Apple Watches. Wait, what? The lens detail E24 f1.8 is now confirmed, and while design changes are subtle, emotions are sky high. DJI leaker Ann Keat has dropped a leaked image of the highly anticipated DJI Mini 5 Pro, and fans can't stop buzzing. With leaks, launch dates, and prices now on the table, excitement is skyrocketing. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is shaping up to be an absolute game changer. Is it coming in the USA? The DJI Mini 5 Pro has already been registered with the US Federal Communications Commission, or FCC, a clear sign that DJI intends to bring the drone to the American market. Multiple reliable sources suggest a global release is set for mid-September 2025. However, in the US, availability may be affected by ongoing logistical challenges. Major retailers such as Best Buy and B&H are currently facing shortages due to customs enforcement under the Uyghur Forced Labor Prevention Act, or UFLPA. Despite these restrictions, DJI has publicly stated that it has no plans to withdraw from the US market. What this means for US buyers, an official US release of the DJI Mini 5 Pro appears both planned and likely, supported by FCC clearance. Availability, however, could be limited at first because of import delays and regulatory hurdles. If these challenges are resolved, the drone is expected to arrive in the US alongside the global mid-September launch. Front and center on the box art, we see the DJI Mini 5 Pro bundled with the powerful DJI RC2 controller, complete with its built-in display. Yes, that means no more juggling your smartphone, just pure flying focus with a pro-level controller straight out of the box. Even better, the label proudly says Fly More Combo Plus DJI RC2. And that's not all. Get this. the front face shouts out 52 minions by 3. Whoa! That strongly suggests 3 batteries, each promising up to 52 minutes of flight under ideal conditions. Do the math, that's more than 2.5 hours of airtime in one kit. Absolutely awesome. This is a major endurance upgrade compared to previous Mini series bundles, making the Mini 5 Pro a true game changer for travelers, content creators, and everyday pilots. If these leaks hold true, DJI is about to set the bar sky high. Retail box images usually appear late in the pre-launch cycle, often right before official spec sheets and pricing are revealed. If this box truly represents the final packaging, we can expect DJI to release full details soon. That would include confirmed camera specifications, transmission system info, obstacle avoidance features, and breakdowns of regional bundle variations. US pricing should be listed in dollars, along with clear disclosures of flight times in minutes and performance figures like range and altitude expressed in miles or feet. Seriously? We've got to wait a week or two for the real deal. Still, one thing's clear, yay. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is shaping up to be a beast of a drone, and the buzz is just getting started. Whew! Can't wait. Oh yeah, buckle up, adventure lovers. These shots of climbers conquering the snowy heights are pure adrenaline. And right there in the middle, helmet mounted and ready for action, is a GoPro, capturing every breathtaking second. But the wait continues. Igor Bogdanov's post hits the nail on the head. And what is GoPro waiting for? It keeps dragging its feet. Fans everywhere are buzzing, craving the arrival of the GoPro Max 2. This isn't just another camera, it's expected to be the ultimate 360-degree beast, tougher, sharper, and smarter than ever before. Imagine smoother stabilization when you're clinging to icy ridges, brighter low-light magic as the sun sets on your climb, and a design that's sleek but built like a tank for the harshest elements. These images scream adventure, and the GoPro Max 2 promises to make those epic moments even more unforgettable. The mountain's ready. Now it's GoPro's turn. Leaker extraordinaire Igor Bogdanov spilled the beans after digging into the patent, and the details are juicy. This thing has not one, but 2 heat sinks, and get this, they don't even touch each other. Why? Because GoPro's giving each sensor its own VIP cooling treatment. Imagine 2 sweaty marathon runners finally getting their own personal AC units. But the real genius? The camera mount itself is a heatsink. Yup, the very thing you clip to your helmet or selfie stick is secretly working overtime to keep your footage cool and crispy. It's like your camera's wearing an invisible superhero cape that says, "Not today, overheating." If this works as well as it sounds, it means longer shooting sessions without your GoPro suddenly tapping out like a lazy coworker on Friday afternoon. For action junkies, vloggers, and that one friend who insists on filming everything in 360 degrees, the Max 2 could be a game changer. A few days ago, we saw leaked GoPro Max 2 images and a teaser video. Now, let's break down the exciting details. Thanks to some exciting leaked images from Igor Bogdanov, we're getting a first look at a camera that could seriously shake up the world of 360 action filming. This isn't just a small update. GoPro is bringing powerful new features that have everyone buzzing with excitement. Here's the best part. GoPro officially teased replaceable lenses. If you scratch or crack your lens during a wild adventure, no problem. Just swap it out and keep shooting without missing a beat. That's stress-free filming right there. Plus, the Max 2 has visible cooling vents on the front, which means it can stay cool even during long shooting sessions.